For the next few days, I have here with me some very special guests, and we're going to spend the time together exploring some of the wonders of Jamaica. Follow us while we explore and dive deep into Jamaica's culture and submerge ourselves in the essence of the true, authentic life of the Jamaican people. So I'm going to show them a great time, giving them one of the best experiences they'll have on this beautiful island called Jamaica. Exploring some of the wonderful hidden gems and well-known places that will captivate you the moment you get there. So stay tuned as we capture the experience together. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you're loving the vibes.
Cameras capture the experience.
Elliot, I show them how it's done, you know? Yes. So them afraid for go up the local stairs and all. Let's see.
You're not going, Kiani?
Kiani, you're going first?
I'm going. I'm hungry.
Alright.
How are you walking?
Yeah. Whoa, look where you're going.
What did I say?
Oh.
What did I say?
Look, be careful, please. Please be careful. Please be careful. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I rockstar.
Made of herbs,
Okay.
like bluebird bean, guinea meat and stuff like that, lemongrass.
Yeah, I have one of them. Do you have one of them?
See, real natural and authentic vibes, right? I like the environment, don't it?
That's a dog.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, man. Him nah. That's okay. Blessed, my brother.
Yeah.
Yes, I. Greetings, if I say greetings. Yeah, man, nice place. So, you loving it?
I love.
Alright. Yeah, so we are in downtown Kingston, right on Orange Street. Yeah. So, how you loving the vibes?
All the way from Australia.
Alright,
Yeah.
which is right. And in JA, just came from over Ibo Spice and everything nice. And we're heading to Portland. You see, it's the boss, yeah? Yes, I. Yes, out at Casseton once more, for sure. Getting some crayfish soup. Yeah. How is it? It's called it?
Delicious.
Alright, delicious. Elliot?
Yeah, man, on point.
Alright, on point. How is it, my dear?
Yum. I love it.
Alright, right across on the police station. Coronation Bakery. You know it's not no fakery. It's a real deal. You see it? They come here and get a meal. Alright. How is it? What are you having?
We're having a sugar bun.
Sugar bun. Oh.
From the manufacturer.
Alright, straight from the factory, straight from the oven. Fresh. As fresh as it can be.
Fresh.
Yeah, alright. I'm having coconut water with it. And so the boss, they are going to look out. Welcome to Blue Lagoon, located in Portland, one of the bluest waters in Jamaica. Here is the pathway that leads you onto the property. Just a few steps and you're there. Yes, nice man. Greetings. Blessings. I want to find it. Alright, that is it.
The mineral side.
Huh?
Over there is the mineral side.
Okay. Yes, I love it. The brighter the sun gets, the shade of the water changes to a brighter blue. It's really something to see. Get it? Mm-hmm.
My wrap, you're going to help me.
A wrap?
Yeah.
We are going to wrap your head?
Yeah.
Alright. Yep. Which one you want? You want a Jamaican one?
I do want a Jamaican one.
Oh, so I'm maybe choose the best one. Like this.
I like this one.
Or you like that one?
I like this one. I like both.
Yeah, I like this. That one here.
Yeah.
This.
How much are these?
2.5.
For both?
2.5?
2,000.
Okay, let me have a look because I do like this.
Yeah.
And there's a towel.
Towel.
Oh my god, the towel is good too, but I...
Nice. Some nice things here, man. Really nice. One all of these natural, authentic, Jamaican made jewelry and ornaments, cups and souvenirs. All Jamaican related theme. You man, you have your snorkeling goggles and so forth. Football, beautiful female dress, swimwear, You know, everything is here. Real natural and authentic Jamaican lifestyle. Can't get this nowhere else. Beautiful Portland, Jamaica. Look at the place. Beautiful. Wow. This place is beautiful. Wow. God, what took the time out to come here?
Good.
Yes.
Choo.
Choo choo. Yeah, alright.
Choo.
Yes, that is it.
God is
Whoa, look on the
Whoa.
fish. Look at the fish. Look here. Woo. Whoa. This is beautiful. Whoa, look at the fish. They must swim coming down streamline. Look at this. Look at that. Whoa. Look at them. This is a natural spring where you can come and chill and enjoy the water. It is filled with a lot of fish. Or fishes, I should say. Yes, you have these beautiful logs here. Came off some huge tree, I guess. I was hanging over the water. Wow. This is beautiful. Beautiful. You have another section over that side. Seems like there's a bar and a chill area. Look there. Ooh. Beautiful Jamaica. Look at the beautiful blue turquoise water behind me. I bet you can't tell me where I am. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? I'm in Portland. Where are you? Then you have some steps right there. You can travel up the hill to that cabin. Great Mr. Ness. I said great Mr. Ness.
Yeah, but make sure I walk and don't drop and look like the big flop Mr. Ness.
True.
You have your camera upon me.
No, I'm gonna put up that one. I'm gonna put up that part. Time now. And be careful.
This water is warmer than that.
It's warm?
Yeah, this side.
Oh.
That side's cold.
Oh.
Oh gosh, what is
Oh, cause the water here can come from off of the river. Like it's a stream or something like that. That come from out of the mountain. 48 miles the water here come from. Blue Mountain water this. Oh, the water here travel far. There's some big fish in the water here too, man. Yes, Miss Claudia's getting a massage for her lovely feet.
With limestone.
With limestone. Real natural and authentic. To the general here. Yeah, man, say anytime the ladies them need a massage or what you call it?
Scrub.
Foot scrub.
Oh yes.
Yes, link who?
Kush.
Kush the general.
Yeah,
You see it, and him a lifeguard,
tour
guide, everything. So once you reach down here, them man will take care of you.
Yes. And soon to come rafting.
Yeah, soon to. But them supposed to have it.
Again, I was a captain before, it's just because they stopped it.
Soon to come. All right.
Soon to come back.
Yes, which is right, cause it needed down here.
swollen feet, right?
No, and it's good for you, the minerals.
Yeah, it have a lot
It's good
of
for the joints too and for pain.
pain, yeah, swelling.
Where does this truck go?
Truck?
Yeah,
Up to that
Go
building.
around there and up
Oh,
to
the
the
building,
Yeah.
not to that over there, no.
What truck?
You have to take a boat to get to over that side.
Down there to do some experiment. And he never come back.
Never come back.
Yeah.
No.
So then,
They're in the sun, but they're not in the sun.
Going in there now.
oh, it's like mud.
No, I say true. It's like made out of sun, like sun grain.
Yes,
Yes,
that's
I say you're in the sun, but you're not in the sun.
I want big stone in our throat. We have to
How do you
scrape
find it down?
Oh, and have a scrape
with
it.
knife or with
Oh.
the grater.
Sometimes the
We're not going home like this.
No.
No. Yeah, wash it off when you finish, man. Yeah, that one is really nice. This one, yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Like this one?
No, from there.
Oh, this is a flag. This is a Jamaica flag. Yeah, flag this.
I'm there because
This one or something like what she did.
Yeah, that's how I got. It's nice too. I same thing, but now different color, like different shade. Or the same exact thing. Look. We have some nice thing here. I like them. Really tropical and nice. All them bamboo cup here. You say them are nice, you know? What's this bud now weed? It's shape weird. Everywhere you go, you get the problem with that. I don't say no. True.
After a while.
After a while, pile up, yeah. Whoa, so what's so much Jew? I never realized that them nice souvenir they here, so too, man. Whoa. I have a whole heap of stuff, man. Yeah.
Rasta can go like we're an ank.
Eh?
So, Rasta color wear stuff.
Rasta color?
They buy the color, go right in our.
This? Oh.
And them.
What's the smallest size in the t-shirt? Is smallest?
Oh, so my like that one here. Like this. How much one of them pipe here?
$1,000.
$1,000? Them reasonable,
In
man.
that color?
Is that the
Them
smallest?
reasonable, man. $1,000 for one nail.
Smallest in white, that is smallest.
Oh, that one here literally shape. See it there? That one here literally shape like how it shape like. You know say man are different? This a for you woman
just see
them.
what that is.
Yeah, this a for you. That's why me I tell you say.
Smoke that one.
That's why me I tell you say that one how it look. Me I say no, it look weird, but me just I realize that exactly that.
This one gets stand up so.
Oh.
That's the difference.
No, but that one here shape weird. That one here for you woman them. And the woman them pipe that one there. Now, this is really a tropical paradise. Let's look at this, everyone. This is so beautiful, peaceful and immaculate. Brings you so much closer to nature and to the Almighty. Looking at this beautiful creation. But this place is really a special place. And just look how blue it is. It is so blue. Like, wow. Yeah, so you can get boat ride here when you come here. So link up. It's a beautiful place, nice vibes, nice spot. So I'm showing you another side of the property where you can swim, chill, launch or just have fun. Note that there are life jackets available for renting because some parts of the water it is very deep. Now this is the front of the property where you will park, but you might be asked to make a contribution before you enter. Hello? Hello there. Hi. To your right. To your right. Yeah. We just reach what you call it? Frenchman Cove, and look here. Rain at here, we just reach, and everybody else gone left. My reason be me leave my phone and turn back. I'm turn back, the rain come down. So right now I don't know where they are or what is going on. Look at this, my people. It's raining. As soon as we got here and ready to go and enjoy the beach, rain came down. We'll give thanks to the Most High. This is surely a blessing. So no complaining right now. Yes, man. As soon as the Most High clear up the way, we're outside and we play. Okay? Finally, sky is clear. Well, kinda. Look on the dark sky. I say the sky clear. Other side, I'm shine it too. I say the sky clear. But yeah, the rain is and the sun is coming out. So it's a breeze right now in beautiful Frenchman Cove. Is it? Beautiful. Yes, Miss Claudette. So finally reach.
At last.
At last.
Worth the wait.
Worth it.
Definitely the drive. Worth it.
Alright.
Definitely.
Yes. Beautiful. Can't wait for it to take a dip. Now look at this beautiful view. Oh my God. Isn't this magnificent? Isn't this something to see and witness? Only in Portland. Well, this is Portland, or the boat land. The beautiful sun, and you have the river over that side. So going in the river next. Well, look how beautiful this water is. This is so beautiful. Water look different for some reason. Water looks strange. Man, a big fish. Check. It's look completely different from the last time. That was a while back, but the water look different, dark and like dirty. And I like how the water look over here. Such a big fish there. The water has definitely changed. I don't know if it is lack of maintenance or is it something that caused it to become stagnant, but it is not looking good right now. The last time I came here, there were fishes in the water, but not so many and not so huge. I can't believe what I'm seeing. This is crazy. A whole heap of fish. No, this can't be the same river. Oh, the river looks so. The river look dark and look disgusting and dirty. Wonder why I'm not seeing nobody over here. So, the river look away, man. Jeez. Remember that tree here? The man is standing up on the tree and me there in the water. Jaja God. And look on the difference now. The water here is clear and look nice. Now it's completely ruined. Actually at them a full joy the beach. And I easy I look out. Can remember this spot. Walk. This is where we walk and enter the river. Yo, no. Chano, Frenchman Cove, what happened? Whoa, the river is destroyed. Oh, the river look like this. That is crazy. I can't understand why it look like that. Man, the place run down. Holy crap. Oh, the sea grape. The sea grape them here. Oh. Let's see if I can crack it. That didn't work. Oh, tough. I'm going to take a dip in this turquoise crystal clear water, giving you a tour of the beach. Also, I found the entrance to a cave, so stay tuned for that. And remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. This place is really beautiful though. Even though the river is not at its best right now, the place is really beautiful. How the rocks merge, blend in with the background, just looks so perfect. This is the view. Look at this. And look above. Wow. Current is kind of strong. Oh, that's the cave. Let's take a look. What? What? It's a cave. I found a cave. Look at this. It's a cave. Hey, me now go up in the door. That's one thing. Somebody have to be here with me before I do that. Whoa, look at the rocks. This is beautiful. And look at the view back at the beach front. Look up there, there's a property right up there. Oh, we have some nice spots. Look at that. Look at cave right there. Beautiful paradise. This is really nice. Woo. Look at the tourists them relaxing and lounging on the beach. Yeah man, Jamaica sweet. Is it? The soup on the water blue and pretty. Look at this. Oh, the water is so blue and pretty. Take a dip. That didn't work out at all. This place is so amazing. Surrounded by rocks all around with this beautiful water. So nice, not cold, not too warm. It's just really nice. So we'll stop at this nice location right in front of the beach. Getting some jerk chicken And as you can see, the place is full. Yeah, so that means it must taste good. Yeah man, it tastes nice and reasonable. You get 3 festival and my order leg and tie for $1,000. 3 festival and a leg and tie for $1,000. You finished already?
Taking mine home.
Oh, it's so delicious. Wow,
So
look at that. Look at that. Oh my. Even the dog wants some. How is it? How is it? Lovely.
Delicious.
Oh wow. Yes, I.
Worth the wait again.
Yes, yes. Yeah man. It's a nice look. I'll finish up my one and then we touch back on the road. People have 2 lovely ladies here and yet to officially introduce them to the channel. So who would like to go first? Who would like to?
What are we doing?
Miss Claudette?
Good afternoon or
Yes.
good morning or wherever you are.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Claudette. I'm from the UK and I'm having 3 weeks vacation in Jamaica.
Yes, that is nice.
So
that is
my
nice.
plan is to explore all the unknowns.
True, and get the best experience you can.
Right?
All
As
right.
my sightseeing tour
All right.
goes.
That is it. That is it. Oh,
Is it
yeah.
back to me?
Yes.
Well, good morning. My name's Kiani. I'm
All
Claudette's friend of 35
right.
years. I've come all the way from Australia to meet up with my girlfriend from London because I used to
All
live
right.
in London. We know Kamal through our other friend Elliot.
Yes.
So we've got Kamal showing us true, authentic Jamaican style
Yes.
lifestyle. We're going to get a Rasta breakfast. We're going to enjoy another river, another beach. Yesterday we did Blue Lagoon. We did Frenchman's Bay. We got some chicken. We got some real Rasta juice.
Oh,
I mean,
gosh.
we had the best day.
Yes.
And we went home. He's looking after us in every way. So
True.
it's a really good holiday. So thank
Yeah.
you so much,
Yeah,
Kamal.
man. You're
I
welcome.
love my
You're
girl here,
welcome.
Claudette. And
All
we
right.
are happy to start the day, day
All
2.
right. That is it. That was wonderful.
2.
Lovely,
Blessings,
lovely.
blessings.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, so you heard it. We're gonna take on the road now. So see you soon. Bus it there now. Bus it there now.
What's the day now?
No, I'm saying bus it there now. Bus the style.
Ah, true,
Yeah.
true.
Yeah. When we say bus it there now, it means do it again. Bus the
Do it
style.
again. Okay,
Yeah.
true.
True. You know them have plantain, press fry, and sweet plantain, breadfruit. So here again another day, you know. You're starting the day today, and this is a great start. The Ital way, you know. Man,
This one.
Oh, this? Oh,
Ask him how much it is, because I was going to get one for me.
1,005 for one of them.
I get this one for Elliot.
Oh, that is the name of the place.
Of this one?
Ibos 5. Ibos 5.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the portal is in right, I know. She in the portal in a fire. Yeah. She in the portal. Yeah, me see what I go on, man. Me see what I go on.
Got that on there, see?
Yeah, true. Surely yours, you know. We still give thanks to the most High we're there here. Yes, sir. Cool, man. Forward. No bother back. Alright. That's it there. Yes, sir.
Okay, we good?
My brothers, you know, bless up on yourself, you know, and take care, you know. Yeah, man. Respect.
Nice. Thank you.
Them say, them don't use the word
Yeah.
bless, because them say bless mean be less of yourself. And them don't want you to be less
got
of
you
yourself,
that
them want
way.
you to be more
Sorry.
of yourself.
Okay, I mixed
Yes,
that bit up.
yes.
That's right.
So, and them tell us, say, surely, cause them not deal with no early, cause early a man, you see it, and the woman, them a deal with, cause woman will come from. You understand?
I do.
Yes. True. So in a crossroad, you know, we are past true. You get it? We are past true. This is Caribbean, one of the first movie theaters in the Caribbean. It's been here for quite some time now, many years. Yes, so we are at Island Grills out in Crossroad. We all got some fish burgers right here with some fries. Yes, I. So here's the meal. We're liking it, Miss Claudette.
Very nice.
Kiani,
fresh.
So nice, alright, and some mine here.
Feeling lovely.
Wow. Fish huge.
It's hot.
Yeah, well hot. Fresh. Nice. You want pine and melon?
I'm getting all
Nice
the
fruit stall here.
Yeah.
Very bright and pretty. Yeah man, fresh. Yeah, right on Municipal Boulevard, right across from Fontana Pharmacy. As you come through the four-way stoplight, see it here? Right here. Everything there here. See it there? Fresh. Fresh fruits.
Okay, can
Yeah,
I
man.
have a pineapple?
See nice Empress
See
here.
this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have the mango and vegetable and so forth, you know? Yes, my general. Cool na man. Food. Everything. Mango. See all mango here too, you know? East Indian. Are East Indian mango them here? Yeah man, the mango are nice too, you know? They say you like what you're seeing? Alright, alright. Yeah man. Yeah man, natural. And woman, you know, not play with them, you know. Skillful and talented, you know. But I watch you see nails dip on hand. Them still can get everything done. You know tell her, my friend? Everything. Everything. Yeah. Man, I love how the fruits them look bright and vibrant.
There is green.
Look on Kiani. She don't know Jamaican money, you know. I
Yeah,
struggle
because
to
Jamaican
find.
make you feel rich.
I struggle
Because
to
there's
find.
This is right.
Yeah,
that's right.
2.5, yeah, yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah. I'm
Is
okay,
it
sure.
Trippy, yeah.
Yes. See the place here, Ocean View. Ocean View. Yeah man, the number that to call. You gonna leave? You wanna leave
We're
it?
going to the beach.
Yeah, we are going to the beach.
Now?
Yeah. What's that place? Sure. Alright. Alright. They have everything you say, you know? Ocean View. Okay, I'll go a phone place. Alright. This is it. Eh?
Red stripe? I got a red stripe.
Yeah, can get red stripe. I may say you have to pick the sweet one, I have other can choose. So, and you can come up here to a food. You want to come up and you want to go better? I feel them spot this too, you know.
Put me up there.
Alright, take your time, watch your step.
I'm going to take
Watch
my
your step.
video. Nice country.
We're excited.
Come on here. Great. Me go side, you know.
I want a necklace, but I want it long.
Oh.
What's that?
Your uncle. Oh, you
I
know.
want it longer.
Oh, you want it longer?
Yeah, it's too short.
So you want it so tall?
Yeah, you worry about your fashion, I worry about mine. Okay? I get through this life nice. My own style. You want me to be like everybody else.
This is a gift, and I don't want you to give me no money when I give you this.
He said this is a gift. He don't want to give him no money. He want to give a gift to support him.
Okay.
This is, and I don't remember what I was telling you. So I don't create the same. So I hope it's be the only one in the world.
Thank you so much. I like it too.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's a gift thanks.
Give thanks, you see? Give thanks. Brother, I love man. Heart I love my brother. Bless yourself and take care of yourself, yeah? Alright? Yes. Yeah. Tourists. Kiani.
So, it's beautiful.
But
and it feels, but I'm trying to find the words for authentic and real. Calm and beautiful.
yeah, true.
Nice. Music good, vibes good.
Yeah.
People happy. It's
Yeah.
just natural.
Natural, right?
Yeah, which makes
Yeah.
me feel happy.
True. No, nah.
Oh man.
Well, as me I say, you can, you know, if you
No,
want.
but I don't want to be wetting your car.
No, me have a towel. Oh, wait, you gonna be
I don't have a towel. I have a towel.
a towel. Yeah. We say towel.
Yeah, we're a
Yeah.
towel.
Yeah, we are two of the wheel.
This is
Eh? No. Remember say, a shoes me now, me have to put it down back. Ready? Yes. Kiani, I got to test out there. Eh? What's your Elsha experience?
Very, again, unusual, unique,
Yeah?
very cultural.
Cultural,
Very yeah.
alright, that is it.
Oh, beautiful beach.
Beautiful beach. Yeah man, nice.
You want to know about the experience?
Yes, what was the
My
experience?
experience was I swam in the water.
Yeah.
It was warm, beautiful, crystal clear,
Alright.
warm. I made friends in the beach.
Alright,
Yeah,
that's
I
nice.
relaxed. I got my fruit.
Yes.
And I'm ready to move on to the river.
Yeah,
I
river.
did the sea, and I'm ready to go to the river. Nice, nice.
Which is
Choo
right.
choo.
Choo choo, choo choo. Alright. Hey, let's just keep it with the.
Wicked and your body know better than the sun. The more shine, the bonus and true. You and now the daddy know that I make the money know you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Then at the Caymanas River here now, you know? Yeah. Beautiful.
No, we doing better than yard. I be a foreigner, I fly down from abroad. Me happy let me get me green card. And who no like that can go on my lad. Make a drive through Port Maria. Me have couple ends in a Manchester. Me no need no escort. Me jump in and me carriage drive go Westmoreland. Jamaicans a retop boss. I cruise pan a raft in a Black River. From Lucy to South Lamar, Caymanas River, don't dare too far. I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a bird place, I want me play A. Stop by the river, pan a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Montego Bay. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry, cause everything safe there. Next door, send.
How is the water? Really nice. Yeah, that is it. Yes, I. Yeah, yeah. No, I'm not taking on the water today. No, man, you're cool, man. Do you think? Okay, that's all that they have it, bud. Oh, that's all the name I have it. Like a bird a while ago.
Done cameras representing. I wish power with it. Caymanas River. Water cold till you shiver. Oh, now drink the liquor. You not drink the liquor, we mess up with liver. The vibe's
You
nice.
gonna jump in? Let's do it.
Yeah, let me do it.
You need to practice what you preach.
Alright.
Ready?
I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a bird place, I want me play A. Stop by the river, pan a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Montego Bay. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry, cause everything safe there. Next door, St. Thomas next day. Me have a chill spot, Morant Bay. She rocks so, she dips so. She mix dance up with calypso. Where she move, could have support me hips so.
Yes, it's your best experience in Kingston.
Thank you for the best experience. The last 2 days with you, Kamal, have been the best.
All
I
right.
really enjoyed Jamaica. I got to see the real Jamaica. So God bless Elliot for referring you, and God bless my good girlfriend.
All
Elliot.
right.
She always knows what to do on a holiday.
True.
All her connections, everything.
Yeah.
It's just really good. This was the best day. Today was chilled. Yesterday was amazing.
All right.
Blessed. I can't wait to show my other Jamaican friends in London, my daughter's family, what I saw here.
All right. That is great. That is great.
The food, everything has been amazing. And now we're going to have a patty.
All right. Juicy
Finish off
beef.
the day.
Yeah.
Nice.
Lovely.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. It's Claudette.
Well, I can't wait for the rest of the evening.
All right. That is it. That is it. That is it.
Yes.
All right. Lovely. Oh, you're on the beautiful Caymanas River. So the party nice. All right. You go now half a tree.
Then me drive, go the beach, down a Montego Bay. In a
There was a lovely dressing.
reach there. Oh no worry cause everything safe there. Next door St. Thomas next day. Me have a chill spot. Morant be.
I want you so on the last one here, yeah. Gotcha. When
I'm gonna cry.
I that me I say me feel so sad.
I don't want to say goodbye.
We've had a
Was
really
a great couple of days.
exciting.
Yeah.
And
I
it's
wish
been
I met your
fulfilling.
girlfriend.
True,
Can you say
true.
hello? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Exciting and fulfilled. We're fulfilled. We have no complaints.
Alright,
Even the
alright.
music in the car.
Alright, alright. Welcome to Montego Bay, and I'm at this nice Airbnb just 5 minutes away from Sangster's Airport with this magnificent view of the ocean. And it's right next door Nostalgia Day Club, which is right off the main road leading from the airport. And that is also coming up soon. So stay tuned. Cameras family, we stopped at this beautiful, lovely place, and look at this view. Magnificent, absolutely something for the eyes to behold. Wow, but look at this tree here. These mangoes are called keat. Tell me if anyone have seen any of these mangoes. One of these mango can actually, no, this can more than full of belly. You can make juice. One mango. Whoa, look how huge. Look here. Whoa. Limb heavy. Whoa, it's huge. Look on a big ripe one. It's a ripe one there. Yes, cameras family. I'll try to see if we can get that one there if we carry home. But look at the view. Beautiful garden. Beautiful walkway. Woo! More mangoes. More mangoes. Look here. Wow. Cool and nice. Where the tree heavy, it has to be supported. It has to be supported by these ropes and cord. Oh, this a ripe. Woo! So we find a ripe one here. This ripe, people. See it there? Looking at the sun. Ripe. We find a ripe one. I ask if we can get that one there. Jeez. Huge. Just look on the size. Look at the size. Look here. Look at the size. Huge. Have some pretty ones right here. Ooh. Can't eat one of them there one time. In a really ripe turn. Yes, the place beautiful, man. Nice view. So I bury them here. Whoa. Look at this. So you can get fresh mango from off of the tree when you reach.
Mulberry.
Mulberry. Mulberry. Wow, me a sample. Me can sample one. Which one must be the brown, the blue, this?
The dark color one more sweet. The red
oh.
one, the red one them no sweet. You find anything?
Yes. Look at this.
Eh?
See it here?
Let me just give them here. And the birds. You don't want it? You don't want to try one?
I'm gonna try to figure out to them taste like. What kind of a mixture like grape. So they.
Oh really, the birds them are them own it.
Oh, the birds them. Okay.
I can feed them things.
Okay, I feed them one.
Yeah.
Oh, so we're making a walk through this beautiful overhang with the berry tree. So while you're walking through, you can get a berry. Watch out. You can pick a berry while you're walking through. We have the beautiful pathway right here. And this is part of the building. Yes, we have another beautiful resort over here, but this is what we're focusing on. This is the main attraction. Yes, natural and authentic, real vibes, real Jamaican vibes you're getting right here. And so we have some breadfruit tree, cherry tree. No matter place here well fruitful. Pumpkin tree or pumpkin plant, banana tree. Oh, so planting and banana tree. There you go. Them beautiful plants here. Oh. Yes, cameras family. Look at this. Gonna make a walk. Gonna return. We'll go in this side. It's a nice little walk path. Like jungle vibes. Fruit trees all around. What you call them here? Star fruit. Star fruit, this right? Yeah. The yard here well fruitful. Look at that. Star fruit. More mango tree. Watch the two parrot. Watch the two parrot. Watch me. Look at those two parrots right there. Love the way how they use the rock and created a pathway between, so it's like water running between the rocks. This is so cool, so amazing, so relaxing, so tranquil. I just love how the rocks pop up in many different areas. Yes, this is beautiful, real, natural and authentic. Yes, and this is what cameras bring you for sure. And who knows what kind of tree this is? This is a ackee tree, Jamaica's national fruit. Yeah, whoa! Look at this chair. Made out of rock. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful and natural vibes. I really like this place. You can imagine staying here for all a month. Yeah man, really soaking and taking all the natural essence of nature, you know. This is a real nature place. So any nature lovers who love nature, who like to be submerged in the Jamaican authentic culture where you find real roots, yeah man, this is it, you know. Natural and authentic as it goes. Oh, so this is a sweet sap tree. Whoa, fruitful. And this is our, it's a clustered apple tree this too. Yeah. No man, there's so much fruit tree now. We have some unique and some nice fruit tree. Whoa, breadfruit. Can't go wrong with breadfruit, you know. No way, not there. As me I tell you, the walkway people, really nice, trust me. Star apple tree, but look here, it is loaded. Oh, I'm gonna get some. Got this one, huge and juicy. Beautiful plants, nice. These plants are lovely. Look at that. These fruits are called panganut. It has some seeds inside. Now we're going to explore one of the apartments. This is a modest, minimalistic type of setting. You get a full-size living room, a full kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 1 with a bathroom, and 1 main bathroom. So this apartment is for a family or a group of friends. Note that there are some renovations going on, so you might see some changes when you get there. Yes. And you have the balcony view. Oh, so okay, so you also have a kitchen. So you get a full kitchen. Look at this with cabinets, cupboards, everything. Whoa, whoa. Yes, this is nice. So you get a living area, you get a kitchen, a full-size kitchen, a full-size living room. Wow, nice size TV.
I spend 7 years in here. Yeah, next man I upstairs there.
Oh, so you have one room right here. Where's the light? You have a room right here. Wow. Nice cabinet right here. Nice closet, I should say. Woo. And a beautiful bathroom right here. Nice and elegant, clean and fresh. Oh. Yes, so you get 2 room, 2 bedroom. This seems. Oh, we got another nice TV here. This is another room. And you got a view of the back there and a view of the side here. So you have a main bathroom right here. This is a main bathroom right here. Yeah. Then you have another room. Okay. Look at the amazing ocean view you'll have when you get here. And this is what I was telling you about, Nostalgia Day Club. It has all you need. Good food, good drinks, pool, good vibes, and good music. But let's continue the tour and we'll get back to that soon. Okay, so this room now is an all-in-one. So you get It's like, we don't call this. Somebody remind me of the name we don't call this. What is an all-in-one? The bed is right here. TV, you have a living space with next to the kitchen area. Alright, the place is under some renovation at the moment, so you know when you come here, it's gonna be upgraded. But yes, this is the bathroom. Nice size, spacious and everything, clean and fresh. Yeah man, nice. You get your closet, you can store your stuff, you can store your luggage up there. And you have a lot of cabinet space in the kitchen, so you can full up this. Yeah, unless you're literally living here. Yeah.
One of the best thing about this place is the spectacular view of the ocean. Yeah, this is the real deal, breathtaking. Welcome to Nostalgia Day Club, located in Montego Bay, Jamaica. There is no admission fee to enter, and the staff members are friendly and welcoming. When you get there, you will be greeted by the staff and directed to somewhere where you can lounge and chill. And don't worry, because the staff is there to make sure everything is okay, your orders are filled, and your food, drinks, whatever you need is delivered to you. So it is really a nice, welcoming, friendly space to be in, and it is a vibes. Just believe me, cameras telling you know we not cap, you see, cause we not wearing a hat. From the bar to the pool to the cabanas and the different areas you can lounge and chill, this place is designed to entertain.
You want fire it, you want fire it, I say you want fire it. Yeah man, can't fire for you, can't fire me, can't fire it.
It is really a nice, vibrant space, attractive and enticing. A cool and unique location, it's almost like a beach vibes. To place an order, you can scan the menu barcode or just ask one of the waiters to assist you. And to let you know, this place has a wonderful view of the ocean as well. So they're having an event called Soca Alex Color Fest on October the 20th, 2025, with well-known international DJs playing some of the biggest hits you know and love. I'm taking a small tour showing you some of the other areas on the property. There is air-conditioned restrooms available and a separate urinal and wash station. Here's a closer look of one of the cabanas, Bob Marley theme.
Wow, guys, it's nice, the boss. Food look nice, man.
Both of us agreed that the food was delicious. I give it a 10 out of 10. The way the food sweet, Elliot started singing, "Don't worry about a thing." The wings were on point, and also the fries and the coleslaw. It was just so delicious.
Kamraz family, look here. Me alone I take on the road here. All the way I go to Kingston right now. You see it? Jaja youth. Look at this cool place here I found right on the main. Going back home.
Sweet say I'm a great and feel in a grill a chill. Enough vibes say in a summer no one fi build them up in the place like a in here me live. Look Buckle off of that 10 over on dead village. Them a go a done, save a figure wash off my skin. My queen a say she love the style she get from the king. My pattern and my flow, you know me bring from within. Anywhere me go, you know I saw me do me thing. When me not the road, Kingston my backbone. From the pretty bright lights to the big billboard. From downtown straight go back to uptown. When me see me now my class and my shots, and you know what? I where me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Montego Bay. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry cause everything safe there. Next door, St. Thomas next day. Me have a chill spot, Morant Bay. She rocks so, she dips so. She mix dancer with calypso. Where she move could have support me hips so. Oh, the culture and the lifestyle so sweet so. No we doing better than yard. I be a foreigner, I fly down from abroad. Me happy let me get me green card. And who no like that can go on my lad. Make a drive through Port Maria. Me have couple ends in a Manchester. Me no need no escort. Me jump in and me carriage drive go with smooth land. Jamaicans a retop bass. A cruise pan a raft in a Black River. From Lucy to Safla, Caymanas River, don't get too far. I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Montego Bay. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry.